All right, Tuesday evening, 9:20 p.m. and we hit our good friend Chad's thrift store and he sold us a deal in some board games. I'm going to try to list a few tonight, but right there they are. I told them, hey, they're cheap enough. If they're missing pieces, I'll just part them out and put them in my extra little board game piece area. Ooh, the glare is bad. My apologies. I made a new box over there, BG for board games. Custom SKU. Here's the little work area. Gotta weigh them, measure them with the tape measure, size and everything, right? I know y'all getting tired of seeing that, but I'm so proud of it. I am. All my spare pieces right there. Tuesday at 9:20. There's where my mom stays. When she's not eating breakfast, lunch, and supper, she's sleeping the rest of the time, night and day, except for when there's a full moon. Then she is up all night long having a party or going to do something. I don't know, going to a funeral, family reunion. It's always something, but I'm used to it by now. I've been here since November 2022. Let's go back here and see where I store some more of my eBay inventory. What do you say? Oh, there's my bathroom. Yeah. Hey, Turkey Ford Wolfman coming back at you. Oh, we're all so blessed. That's the wonderful story thing. I'm playing Bryan Adams in the background, really low. Got the terry cloth that I missed and I cleaned in a rotation, the dust and all. And then I go and take the anti-record static brush. Oh, you can't really see it. Let me move it. You hold it on there. And you slowly pull it to the outside. And you can hold it on it, pull it to the inside. Then you clean the brush. Yes, get the dust out right there. Oh, you see it? I just cleaned it, in case you didn't see that. There you go. And then you always store it back in there, so it keeps the dust off of it. But we keep this down low. Yeah. So eBay inventory. Here's the record box. 100, 125. Here's some that I hadn't listed yet. There's stuff in that. All these drawers have been emptied out and there's eBay items in there. Same thing over here. Not that one. There you go. You do what you gotta do. I have to keep my door locked when I'm not here. So none of my eBay listings items get missing, which would be very bad. We do test, or I do. There's no mouse in my pocket. I do test some of the electronics, but I'd rather test them over at the mini warehouse where I'm set up and I got more room, right? You know, I'm a very organized person, actually. Yes, there's some of my clothes that we wash and dry over here. We, as in me and the nurse and my sister-in-law, that I got hired to stay with my mom a few days a week so I can go spend time with my wife and kids. But you gotta do what you gotta do to keep on rolling when it comes to selling on eBay. If you're one of my repeat viewers, you remember I sold that one. Very similar to that one right there. I gave my mom that one. I got it out of old pack house 20 years ago. But the one I sold had skulls, if you recall. 3 skulls at the bottom of the cross, at the rock and all. But it's just a little tour right there, you know. I got a really good wife. She's very understanding. And I'm going to list some stuff on her eBay account because she's been pretty busy staying with her dad recently. He's having some health issues. But here's the carport. Yes. Put up the super bright lights. All the board games are over there. I just temporarily screwed it into the plywood ceiling. Hey, it's 2x4s. It can be removed, you know. Got boxes mainly. There's a ton of totes under that sheet that I got off the Facebook. I bought a few, you know, like 10, very cheap. And you want to pan around here, do you now? It's the back door side entrance. There's that sign that come from the Amazon return bins for 50 cents that I have not listed yet. So I don't know about all that. It's hard to get motivated, you know. It's easy to just sit and watch TV and play on YouTube or edit YouTube, which I don't do that, do I? Now I'm into the making thumbnails. Yeah, thumbnails. That's what gets you. You click on it. Click, click. Yeah. Pow, boom. You watch it for a few seconds and you bounce because it's no good. You gotta have good content, right? But thanks for watching. Just wanted to do a little, I don't know, tour of where I've been. I got an offer on these books, so hopefully I'll sell them. It seems like when you list stuff, within a day or two, you get offers. That's how it works. You gotta turn them offers on. But here I go. I'm gonna list some board games. Believe I would. Like, I've already sold that one, and I have that one listed. Yahtzee. Battleship. 2 battleships. 2 lives. A Scrabble. Those wooden pieces sell on the Scrabble game. For real. Guess Who. I don't have a lot of them. Operation. I got a feeling that I'm gonna get more Operation pieces. You know, this just folds up. Come from Lowe's Hardware. You know, just bins right there. Saw it from the back. Folds up, hides away. You can move it. Not a problem. But there we go, yo. Alright. Thanks for watching. See ya. Bye.